Hi, fellow teacher partners. It's Susan Williams here. I want to let you in on an exciting new method of teaching. It's called project-based learning. I think our students are going to love it. Since we are preparing a new generation of trailblazers, I thought we could pursue a new method of learning that sets in motion our students' creativity and problem-solving skills. Project-based learning is student-centered. Students are very active in exploring real-world problems and challenges. Students gain a deeper knowledge of the content they are investigating. The teacher comes up with a driving question that has a real-world problem in mind for students to investigate and explore. I did some research and I found the Buck Institute for Education. They are a mission-driven nonprofit organization out of California that is in place to help prepare teachers for project-based learning in their classrooms. I found out that in project-based learning, students identify what they need to know and they use technology tools to learn and apply to solve the problem. They use the 4 C's to develop deep content knowledge, critical thinking, creativity, and communication skills while doing an authentic, meaningful project. In her project-based learning blog, Erin Brandvold writes, dated March 14th of 2018, "Structuring the chaos, making PBL feel safe for new teachers and students." Erin Brandvold says, quote, "Create clear expectations for what productivity looks like before launching into a work period," unquote. Erin likes to name what the students should be working on and how she thinks the classroom should look and sound. Another idea, quote, "Create visible and transparent trackers to show student progress and hold students accountable. Help students divide the project into manageable chunks." The example she used was a shareable document. Quote, "Create a system so students know how and when to get help if they are stuck," unquote. She uses a sign-up sheet for independent help. There is an iBook also called Project-Based Learning Stories and Structures by Ryan Stewart, dated July 12th of 2018. Stewart highlights examples to help guide teachers and students through their project-based learning. I also found a YouTube titled Project-Based Learning Explained by Buck Institute for Education, dated December the 9th of 2010. The Buck Institute YouTube points out 21st century skills that project-based learning uses that in turn helps students to be college and work ready. Another YouTube I found that was helpful was titled How to Write Driving Questions for Project-Based Learning. It's a free professional development by April Smith, a 5th grade classroom teacher that works for Performing in Education, and it was published August 28th of 2017. April uses a driving question with her students that says, quote, "How do toy store owners get customers to visit their stores?" unquote. If you would rather read a book on project-based learning, there is a book called Hacking Project-Based Learning, 10 Easy Steps to PBL and Inquire in the Classroom by Ross Cooper, a former 4th grade teacher, and Erin Murphy, a former kindergarten through 5th grade teacher. It was published December 18th of 2016. I found some project-based learning bloggers to follow. Andrew Miller, an instructional coach at Shanghai American School at BETA Miller. Cindy Emerson, an innovator for project-based learning at EMER Sizzle, SIZZLE. And of course, Buck Institute for Education, an advocate for project-based learning at BIEPBL. A really great website that has examples of project-based learning is called utopia.org. In a post by Pete Barnes dated August 24th of 2018, he asked his 5th graders a driving question, quote, "How can humans survive on Mars?" unquote. At the end of his website post, he says, quote, "Mars is an amazing place, and I hope to inspire students to dream big about the possibilities for human colonization of the red planet in their lifetimes," unquote. The four main reasons I think we should incorporate project-based learning into our teaching are: number one, students will learn how to work together to accomplish a common goal using technology. Number two, students will practice public speaking skills when they present their work. Number three, students will take more responsibility for their learning. And number four, students will sharpen their 4C skills: critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. Project-based learning sounds exciting and fun for us to watch our students learn and grow in a new way. That's all for now. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.